Fun to catch, man.
Get a picture of a juicer.
The tunas is a big one too. Alright, welcome back again to the channel. Yesterday we did some amazing fishing for some snappers. Saw that in the video. We caught a little reef shark. Didn't get all of it on video. Today we're gonna try to do the same, right? Go out to the island, catch some sardines, then fish, right? Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Look at the birds! Oh man, they're going crazy!
There we go.
Let it go, let it run close. Fish on! Leave it out. Let him run, we have a lot of line. Reel. The moment he stops, you reel. Woo! Fish on! Reel up just a little closer. Normally they follow, so you should get hit in a little bit. You're on there, over. Go on there, got a swift fish stance. Alright. This is one.
This is funny.
This is one.
Is it tuna?
We'll see, I'm not too sure yet. Just take your time with it, bud. Don't want to lose this one. This is our first big fish right now for the day.
Oh, way to put the pressure on me.
Is it? It's the pressure. I have to.
I saw that take it, Doug. Yeah, I saw that flash.
You saw it? You saw it take it?
Yeah.
I missed it.
Did you right on circle? Come on, Captain.
I missed it.
You super star. I was chumming and I still saw it.
Alright, they're still around us.
Got a little weight to it, Doug? Yeah, I mean,
There's some weight to it.
hard to tell. Not a 3-pound fish.
Did I stutter?
It's definitely not a 3-pound fish. Definitely not a 3-pound fish. The birds aren't going for the bigger fish. They're going for the fish, the bigger, yeah, the smaller ones. The bigger fish are bringing up.
They don't have the big old tines.
All right, you're at Mano. This is where it gets a little dangerous going back and forth through that.
Yep.
Oh.
What is it? What is it?
I didn't see it. What we're seeing is lion.
I
mean,
think
it's
it's,
seagrass. That's what we're seeing. There's a hook on top of you right here, bud. You wanna pass me that? Birds are coming here. Are the fish coming here? Get ready, man. Birds are coming over here, unless they just stop.
It's my chumming. You got color yet, Drew?
No color. Yeah, it was just grass that I saw too. I got a little excited.
Do you have a hand or always gonna get?
I'm gonna hook it up. Let it go. Wait, we gotta let it run. Let it run.
I did.
How can I hook this up real fast?
Yeah, I heard him running.
Let it go.
Yeah, he was running.
See, way at the bottom there.
Yeah, that's a Cravel if I've ever seen one. Not good to eat. I'm gonna horse him a little more.
Yeah.
Catch something we can. Oh, that's cool. Get this picture?
Good to get a picture, yeah.
Yeah, get a picture. Okay. Come here. You might not want to fish these fish if this is a school of these, eh?
Well, they're fun to catch though.
Oh, yeah. Let me look this way real quick.
They're fun to catch, man.
Get a picture of them, Juicer?
The tunas is a big one too. The tunas travel with these guys too. I'm gonna take it for a shark bait though.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you
For a
something.
shark bait.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Damn. Look at that. That's bait?
Yeah, shark bait.
My name is Jeff.
It's cool.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all eat everything?
Get in there.
Nice Spanish mackerel. Tuna. Look at all that fish jumping right there. Tuna, tuna.
There, Cuda.
Keep catching these fish without leader. You know. It's impressive.
Well, look where I got it. Found the honey hole.
Within there, that's the bait you out of.
Yeah. We need 20 of them to do that again.
Mm-hmm.
All 20?
Yeah, I think so.
That was 20 fish. Yeah. Yep. They're small though.
These are small ones.
Did they go to the bottom again?
Yeah.
It's a bigger snapper. Yeah, it is fighting. Oh! Whoa! That's probably not a snapper. Oh, it's a mackerel. Come up to the back there. It's a big mackerel. It's a kingfish, actually.
What?
It's a kingfish.
Good to eat?
Delicious.
Oh, counter. Counter.
Loose your drag a little bit. He's gonna break your line.
Okay.
He's gonna do
Look at
something.
the Cuda's nest.
That's the mackerel.
What am I doing here?
There's not much you can do. He's just gonna do crazy stuff like that. Come here.
Here. What's your... There you go.
Oh, no, it's a mackerel. Spanish mackerel.
Oh.
Woo!
Corey, what was that one that followed it up?
One followed it.
Yeah, dude, I missed my first like 6 today.
Yeah. Right there. You're casting in deep, right? That, like at the back of the boat.
Mm-hmm.
They're there.
Oh, I ripped that leg.
Right here we have some of the fish that we caught today. Already cleaned up a little bit. So a few lane snappers, yellowtail snappers, big Spanish mackerel right here. Everything is gonna get eaten, nothing's going to waste. So let's just see how we clean up a few here. Go across, and for me I just make it a little easier. Just land my knife across. Look at the baby shark. Oh man, I haven't seen this little shark in a while. Wow. Look at him. Eat up, buddy. So get the belly bone out. I hope y'all enjoy these videos, man, and subscribe, and don't forget to like. It really helps my self-esteem. Yeah, man, another beautiful day, another successful day. All right, see y'all tomorrow.